Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday morning and I am actually headed out right now. It's about 8:20 in the morning. The dogs need to go to the groomers. They have an 8:30 appointment, but I just wanted to say good morning before I ran out. It is incredibly cold. It is 18 degrees and really, really windy. So not the perfect conditions for going out today. But today's the day that they need to get groomed and they stink. And especially with all of the rain and the snow that we've had, they need to go to the groomers. And I just love when they come home fresh and clean and fluffy and cute. So that's what we're doing now. I had a pretty productive morning. I actually woke up at 6:15. I'm starting to manage to get up a little bit earlier now that the sun is thankfully rising a bit earlier. And it is really sunny today, so that is nice. And I did some reading. I started middle grade March yesterday. And if you guys didn't see that yet, I'll leave a link above. You can see what that is all about. So I've been getting up early to read and to do yoga and have my coffee and do editing and just do the things that I like to do uninterrupted. Those are the things I need to do first thing in the morning before anyone else wakes up, especially now that everyone is home all of the time. I find that getting up early is super beneficial and sets me up for a really good day. So that's what I did this morning. I thought we were due for a day in the life vlog because I haven't done one in a while. Just a random day, normal day, rather than like a weekend getaway or something. And that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna take the dogs and I'll see you guys later. This is quite the getup. Boy, am I like in disguise or what? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so, wow. We wear a lot of stuff, a lot of layers going on in 2020 and 2021, aren't there? Anyway, dogs are at the groomers getting groomed and I am going to be answering a phone call. Okay, so what I was trying to say is this morning I am filming a video with Madison. I actually have a lot of stuff to film today. My husband, Jim, is at the lake house. That was him calling me. So we haven't been there in a couple of months. And I guess he was hopeful that if he waited long enough, all of the snow would just disappear, just melt away. And that's far from the case. So he can't even get into the driveway. There's like, I don't even know, probably 5 feet of solid frozen snow right now there. So yeah, he's dealing with that. And I am going to get some filming done and then I have some housework to do. So that's what we're up to. Okay, so me and Madison just finished filming my middle grade March video, so I am going to now upload and edit that because I want to get it out for tomorrow. This is the book I was reading this morning, and I might actually finish this today. It is so good, and it takes place starting off at Halloween time, which you guys know how much I love Halloween, and it was recommended by one of you guys, and also one of you guys sent me this beautiful Salem bookmark, and this book is about a witch. I believe she's from Salem, and it's just like, it's a really, really fun read. And since I have not shared with you guys in a long time an outfit of the day, yeah, this is the way I've been dressing lately. Basically a warm sweatshirt, jeans, and my Uggs I have on every day because they're super warm. And actually the sweatshirt Emily just gave to me, it's a hand-me-down, but it's so cute. It says the mouse that started it all, and it has all these cute pictures of Mickey Mouse like through the years. You see there, Steamboat Willie, super cute. And that's what I'm wearing. So I am going to make myself a second cup of coffee and get some editing done, and then I have more filming to do, and it is just going to be a day of doing YouTube and Patreon stuff. So that is the main objective today because I really have not focused like a full day on videotaping things and editing things and just doing all of that stuff in a while now. It's just been one of the things that has kind of gotten pushed aside amongst other things that I have going on, and today I just want to really, really focus on it. It's interesting for me when I decide to vlog on a day where I am filming YouTube videos all day because even when I am typically like not recording, I am recording myself in between making videos. So it's interesting, but It's genuinely the way I spend my time a lot of the time, so I thought you guys might enjoy seeing that too. And I now am going to attempt to do a Q&A. I'm doing a Q&A on my Patreon channel actually, and you guys are always welcome to join us over there. The community over there is a wonderful thing, so head on over to Patreon if you would like to see what we have going on over there. But they have shared with me some really, really great questions, and I want to spend a lot of time on it, so I don't know if I'll get it all done today. But yeah, that is another thing I want to work on this afternoon. So this is typically the condition of our living room. I am just about ready for lunch, but I'm going to do a quick cleanup in here before I make something to eat. I don't particularly enjoy cold cuts, but it seems to be the easiest thing lately. I did buy a lot of cheese this time because I do like grilled cheese sandwiches. Also, the bread that I purchased, actually I had to put it in a new bag. This bread had like a big rip in it and it was going stale, so I took an old bread bag and put it inside. But yeah, that's weird. Never happened to me before. So for lunch today, because I know you guys are like really, really excited about what I'm making for lunch, I am having a ham and turkey and cheese sandwich with a little bit of mayo. And that is going to be today's lunch. It's kind of weird without having the dogs here because as I'm dropping little bits of cheese, they're usually right under my feet to grab it. And they're not today, but that's okay. All right, I am going to finish making my lunch, and then I am going to get back to editing because I have been doing a lot of filming and editing today. It's been a lot of fun, something I've been missing doing because I've been in a rut, and you guys probably know in February I did not really share too many vlogs because I was just not feeling it. But you know what? Spring is coming and I am feeling more ambitious to do more fun things and to be more accomplished in the things I do. So yeah, that's what is up today. All right, that's lunch. Can you guys believe that the carnations that Patrick gave me for Valentine's Day are still thriving? Like seriously, these things last a long time, don't they? Okay, so I was incredibly ambitious this morning because not only did I film that video with Madison, I uploaded it, edited it, did the metadata, and I just posted it onto YouTube because I was thinking to myself, today is Read Across America Day, so why not post a video that is relevant to reading and books, and especially reading with my daughter. So instead of waiting to post it on Wednesday, because I usually try to do my videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I don't know if I am going to have a video out every Friday. I think Friday is going to kind of be like a bonus video if I have it, because it's been a lot lately on YouTube, and trying to find not only really good content to share, but also the time to put the video together and to get it out to you guys has been a little bit challenging lately. So I'm only going to really commit myself, and I just do this all in my head. I don't really think anyone else cares or recognizes my schedule very much, but I need to force myself into some type of a schedule or I will not get things done. So in my mind, Monday and Wednesday are my definites, and Friday will be a bonus if I can manage it, kind of a thing. Anyway, I was just thinking about how rough mornings have been for me lately, and I don't know if it's an age thing, but I swear since the day I turned 40, and I think it was literally like on my 40th birthday, I started getting, it's almost like morning sickness. I feel like crap in the morning, and the only thing I can compare it to is like when I was pregnant and I would wake up and I would feel queasy and achy. You're so big that everything hurts. That is legit how I feel in my 40s. In the morning, I just feel like everything hurts. All of my joints, my muscles, just like my bones hurt. I have to do a really good yoga stretch every morning just to feel alive and to not be in pain. I feel queasy in the morning on most days. Is this just me? Somebody tell me if there's anyone else out there that once you reached a certain age, you just felt like crap in the morning. Because that's where I'm at. And I have never been a morning person. I am pretty grouchy and grumpy in the morning, which is another reason why I like to get up way before everyone else and just have time to myself to wake up, have my coffee, do my yoga, do all the things, because I am just not a nice person to hang out with in the morning. Anyone in my family will tell you that. That's why vacationing with my family, and even most especially with friends, is challenging for me, because it's not something I can hide. I just like to, especially when we're away with other people, sometimes I will just sit in the room by myself and have coffee and like read a book. Or what I have been doing, and you guys probably know this if you followed any of my vacation vlogs, when I go on family vacations with my husband's family, I get up super early in the morning and I take a walk and I go get myself coffee, and I just have that quiet time to myself in the morning until I feel better. Basically now at this point in my life, it's about feeling better. When I don't feel good, I'm cranky and I'm just not very nice. Unfortunately, I wish I could be. I really envy people who wake up and they're like ready to tackle the world and they're in such a great mood, but it's just not me. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys today. So this is exciting. This was just dropped off in my backyard from a friend of mine who I ordered Girl Scout cookies from. So we have my all-time favorite Do-si-dos. These are the best, my favorite Girl Scout cookies of all time. And then these are relatively new, the Toffee-tastic. Of course, the classic Samoas. Everyone in my house likes these. And Thin Mints. And then finally I have Tagalongs. These are one of my favorites too. So I think I'm gonna have a couple of cookies and take an afternoon break. I am officially losing my voice. I just recorded another video. I have to get some housework done now. I have to give my throat a rest because I've just been yapping away all day. And I accidentally just went into Madison's room while she was doing virtual school. I just lost my head. I don't even know what I was thinking. Totally forgot about the whole virtual school thing for a minute, and I embarrassed her by walking into her room. Have you guys done that yet? I've done it multiple times with not only my kids, but my husband as well. He'll be like on a conference call, and I walk right in and start talking to him. I'll be like in my pajamas, and he's like, yeah, all these people are looking at you right now. So embarrassing. I don't want to do it because it's hard, but it's Peloton time. Gotta get on, especially since I had Girl Scout cookies today. Have to at least do 15 minutes on the Peloton. What should I do today? I usually go to classes and then I pick the length, which I'm only gonna do 15 minutes today. And then I'll just scroll through from here and pick one. And I am Jen's Happy Home on Peloton, but I don't have like any structured time with it. So I don't think that you guys will ever see me, but that's my name on Peloton. So if you ever see me, give me a high five. Honestly, the hardest part of the Peloton is getting your feet in. And I usually make my daughter keep the shoes on here because I cannot click in like ever. I don't know how to get my feet in these things. It's so frustrating. And I might actually not be able to do it today because I just don't know how to get my feet in the clips. This is what it looks like. And this is what's at the bottom of your foot. And you have to click it in perfectly to get started. And seriously, I work up such a sweat just trying to do this. And sometimes I just can't even. So we'll see. I'm gonna get back at it.
Let's bring in this
Yay, I got it. It took a while, but I got it. Okay, so luckily I got that in and I just finished and now the dogs are ready for pickup. So I'm going to head out and get them. Look at how handsome you guys look. Mister, you look so handsome too. Look at you guys. Looking good. Nothing like a nice clean dog. For dinner tonight, I'm keeping it really simple since it's just me and the kids. So we're doing chicken patties with lettuce, tomato, I have some pickles, and I have some rolls and some ranch dressing, so the kids can just kind of put it together however they like, and that is going to be a super quick and easy dinner tonight. Emily and Patrick are both at work, so right now it's just me and Madison, so that's what we're making for dinner. Okay, so I'm making my chicken patty. I'm going to do a little bit of lettuce and some tomato. Why are you laughing, Madison? This is really exciting. And some light ranch. Uh-oh, I can't. Can you open that for me, please? Thank you. Chester's not getting a chicken patty. Okay. And a little bit of ranch. Oh yeah. Ta-da! That's my dinner. Looks good. How are you making yours? Ta-da! You're so basic. Chester, how are you making yours? No, it's not gonna happen. No, you know, Leo, I am not giving away the chicken patties. No. All right, time to eat. So that's gonna do it for today. I hope this vlog is not incredibly boring. As I'm looking back at my day, I am thinking there was really not much going on today, but hopefully it was somewhat entertaining for you guys. And I really enjoy doing daily vlogs because I don't feel as limited as to the amount of content that I'm sharing throughout the day. So that's fun for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along today, and I would love to know if any of you guys are participating in the middle grade march. Really curious to see what types of children's stories you guys are reading, or maybe you're just reading along with your kids right now. But I love middle grade books, so I'm excited to get that started this month. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're all doing well, and I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.